Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report suspicious activities on your Afterpay account. Let's get straight into the video. So to report suspicious activities, you can contact Afterpay support immediately if you suspect suspicious activities on your account. You can call Afterpay's customer support number because they're available 24/7 to report the suspicious activities. You can also submit a report through the Afterpay app or website, providing as much details as possible about these suspicious activities. Now, for types of suspicious activities, there is unauthorized transactions, where you can report unauthorized transactions such as purchases or payments that you didn't make. There's also account takeover, so you can report if you suspect someone has taken over your account or changed your account information without your permission. There's also phishing or spam emails, so you can report phishing or spam emails that appear to be from Afterpay but are actually attempts to steal your personal or financial information. Now, information to provide once you are making these reports. You're going to need your account information, so you need to provide your account information, including your username and email address associated with your accounts. You're also going to need a description of the suspicious activity, so you're gonna need to provide a detailed description of the suspicious activity, including the date, time, and of course the amounts if there's any involved. You're also going to need any relevant documentation. So you need to provide any relevant documentation such as receipts or screenshots to support your report. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to report suspicious activities on your Afterpay accounts. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.